Hi, I'm Praveena Sridhar from the Safe Soil Movement. We are at the Land COP in Riyadh. The good thing about what's happening here is, especially the resilience partnership, is that the banks, not countries, banks are actually putting money on the table and saying that over 30% of the portfolios over the following years is going to be towards land restoration. And it's a very welcome change because to a great extent in the past 50 years, we've seen that the financial sectors take the lead on how the world thinks about what problem. With respect to the conventions coming together, there has to be communication between the people who are working on the ground, working with farmers and the policymakers. There has to be bridge between the verticals, and also there has to be communication between all the three conventions, because if something is done holistically on the ground, be it land, be it water, be it soil, the outcomes are realized by all the three conventions purposes: climate change abatement, land degradation reduction or land restoration for that matter, and the third one being the biodiversity, being protected and ensuring that they thrive, right? So it's a high time all the three conventions spoke together.